Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about some options you may have for obscure glass. Let's get into this. So you're buying new windows, you're looking at bathroom windows and they need to have some obscure glass. You know, maybe you have a neighbor that's close by and maybe has a bird's eye visual of your bathroom. Obviously you don't want that. So all window manufacturers will offer different types, different styles of obscure glass. I have here what I would take to a customer's house to show basically different options they have. Most times you're going to see something like this. It's what we call like a standard obscure, very, very frosted. A lot of customers like going with this because it's just so simple, but it's very obscure and it just works. But there's others that are out there, like you can get some reed, you can do Flemish, you could do a Delta Frost. If you go to the other side, you have an etched matte, you have glue chip and rain. That's just for Anlin, but there's actually a few more that Anlin offers. I wanted to be able to show you guys like, hey, you know, if the person who you're talking to isn't really showing all the different options you have for obscure glass, I want to be able to let you know, hey, you can do different things. It's really, really cool. Let's say, for instance, and I see this often, a person has a shower that has rain glass already. So I'll say, hey, listen, you may not want to go with the regular, obscurity. Do the rain to match your shower. And they're like, oh yeah, that would look pretty cool. And then also the same thing is true for the Delta Frost. You'll see windows or doors, things like that, that have it already. And I would say, hey, you know what? Let's just tie everything in. Let's do some Delta Frost in your bathroom windows or windows that have or need obscurity. And it's just a great option to have, different styles of obscure glass. Obviously, most of your windows are going to be clear. You want them to be clear so you can see through them, but there are some situations like, for instance, a garage that you don't really want to put a shade up and you have a Corvette in there and you don't want people to like peek in there and see that you have all these tools and these nice cars. You'll put some obscure glass up there and that really, really helps, people looking in and trying to break in. Okay guys, well hopefully this video has helped kind of shed some light on different types of obscure glass that is available for bathrooms or wherever you may want it. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and we'll talk again soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.